What's up, America? Welcome to Truck and Trailer, your number one source for pre-owned box trucks. This is a 2015 Ford E350 box truck, landscaper, vanscaper, whatever you want to call it. This bad boy hauls lawnmowers. With only 133,000 miles, it's ready to go to work for you. We have completed our service and inspection on this fleet-maintained truck to make sure it is ready for the field. This 5.4-liter Triton V8 gas engine is one of the most popular engines in the country and also has enough power to pull anything you put behind it. This cab interior is super nice. Cold AC, AM/FM radio, manual window and lock. Everything in here functions just as you'd expect. Everything is in super good condition. And don't forget, if you need a backup camera or third man jump seat, we've got you covered. Our landscape dovetail has dual expanded metal ramps that are spring-loaded. The LED lights are recessed to protect them from damage. And if you need a dovetail on something else, we can install this on almost any one of our trucks in stock. We can outfit your cargo box to help you work smarter and more efficient. Weed eater racks, shovel racks, blowers, string line, and water jug racks. We have it all. Thank you for watching. Give us a call at 405-912-5800. And hey, guess what? We have a lot more of these in stock, very similar to this one. To see our entire inventory of new and pre-owned landscape lawn care trucks, visit us online at Truck-n-Trailer.com.